I'm gonna turn off the lights. Oh, it changed color! Oh my gosh! Hey guys, it's me, Red. Welcome to my channel. So today, I'm gonna unbox this Galaxy LED projector from Lazada. So I'm just gonna put in the description box the link of this Galaxy night light whatsoever. Projector na may starry night. Ganun. Let's open it. Lazada. 1789. 47% discount from 3,400 pesos. Of course, I sprayed alcohol on it because, you know, it's better be safe than sorry. I want you all to see how I unbox this, so I'll make it lower. Ah, it looks so fat when I lower it down. Okay. Safe. Ta-da! Alcohol, cause I'm coming. Aurora Starry Sky Projector. Aurora Borealis. I haven't been to Norway yet. Sarap. Ooh! I like the color. It's great. Mukha siyang social. Ayan. Liit lang yan, no? Kala ko. Okay. Ay! Hindi pa malaglag. Okay, how do you do this? Ooh! Laser aperture. Selfie camera. Okay. Tapos, this is the remote. We need to have battery charger. Okay, so let's plug it in. So, it's safe. Hindi na kailangan ng ABR 100 to 240. So, this is auto mode. So, I'm gonna plug it in na. And I'm so excited to turn off the lights and to turn it on. Manual, remote control, laser switch, LED switch. Ay, bakit yan? Laser switch, LED. Oh, it says here naman. LED discoloration. Yung LED mode. Reset and master switch. So, you have a small plug here that you should put here. Okay. Let's turn it on. It's not working. Ay, wala pa ng battery. Okay, I'm gonna get the battery. That mini heart attack, so I got the battery already. AAA. Battery not included pala. Hindi naman nila sinabi. I can't lose this. I wish you could see what I'm seeing right now. I'm gonna turn off the lights. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Can you believe what I'm seeing? Oh. What? It's like a mirror. It's like there's a mirror there. Super ganda. So I'm gonna change the mode. Oh! Tricolor! Another one. And another one. Oh, this is like Aurora. This is a goodbye. This is so dreamy. Thank you, Lazada. Can't wait for my husband to see this beauty. It's so beautiful. Reach outer space. Reach the heaven above. Na 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 na. How about this one? Laser. Oh! Pwedeng Aurora Borealis lang. Oh, pwedeng laser lang. Stars only. Oh, it changed color. Oh my gosh. What? Blue, red. And this is my favorite color when you mix red and blue. It turns violet or purple. And that's my favorite color. And this is his favorite color, blue. Yay, so perfect! This is a goodbye! to go home. Look! I'm in the galaxy. I'm so excited for him. Let's see his reaction there. Sabi mo?
Ang ganda lang. So far.
O, pag maglilinis ka, buksan mo yan kahit di mo na makita yung alikabok. Yan na lang. At least maganda view mo. Kaya ngayon. Ay, ang ganda. Oo, tapos parang may meteor pa dun. Ayun.
Are you ready, kids?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow.
What can you say?
Ganda.
Sarap matulog! Pak! Sarap buhay! Sarap buhay ka dyan, ha? Ganda talaga. Oh, tapos may ganyang ilaw. Sarap! Anong view mo? Ay, ganang view. That one is super, very worth it. Sobrang worth it talaga ng pagkabili namin na yun. Thank you! Thank you talaga. Sobrang nakakakilig. So, ayun. So, I'm gonna post the link below on where I got it. Ayun. Sobrang worth it, guys. Hope you like this video. Subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. See you!